Hey guys, I want to show you really quick how to use Google Chats. It's a way that we can communicate. If you need to get a hold of me quickly or you need to send me a message, it's kind of like text messaging. So when you're in here, you just open a new tab, right? And you're in Google. Make sure that you're in Google Chrome and you are signed in. If you're not signed in, it'll ask you to sign in. But once you're signed in, you can go ahead and click this little waffle, the 9 dots. Click on that. Open up. Right here is chat. Or you can also just type chat.google.com and it will take you in there. The good thing about this, like me, I've already been sending messages to these people and I have groups that I send them to, and I can probably create groups for you guys like by period, but I don't think right now it's necessary. But let's say you want to send a text to one of your teachers. Let's say you want to send it to Elizabeth Huffless. She is an English teacher. You would type Elizabeth Huffless. Wait, it's a T, I think. Huffless. There it goes. So she is a teacher, and I can send her a text message quickly if I want to, just by clicking there. I can also find any one of you on here, and I'm not going to type your names, but if I type your name on here, your email will pop up and I can quickly send you a message. But I need you guys to make sure that you are checking this daily, just in case I sent you a message because maybe you weren't doing what you were supposed to be doing or whatever. And then you can also, if you go to your phone and download Google Chats, you can have it on your phone as an app and you can get your text messages that way quickly. Okay, so make sure that you check that out today. And if you can or if you want to, you can send me a quick text message on here just so I know that you did it. Find my name. My name is Elizabeth Mesa.